Welcome to your vendor dashboard, the heart of your business on DMWM. Let's take a quick tour of everything you see here so you can hit the ground running. At the top of the dashboard is an introductory video. If you ever need a refresher, feel free to come back and watch this guide again. Just below the introductory video, you'll find your first action step, a card inviting you to set up your profile. This is where you can update your email address, contact, and shipping information, and replace the temporary password we sent you. Go ahead and click Go to your profile to get started. Right after that, you'll see the Add Products card. Here, you can list products individually, import them from Shopify, or upload in bulk using a CSV or XML file. Just choose the option that fits your workflow and click to begin. Next up is the Shipping Setup card. This is where you configure how your products will reach your customers. You can set manual shipping rates, integrate with supported couriers for automated shipping, or enable in-store pickup. Just click Go to Shipping Methods to get started. Once you've completed the onboarding cards, scroll down for more detailed business insights. At the bottom of the dashboard, you'll see your Analytics section. This is where you can view your sales performance over time. You can filter the data by day, week, month, year, or custom date ranges to get a better understanding of your business activity. Next to that is your Orders panel. Here you'll find all recent orders placed by your customers. You can view status updates, like pending, fulfilled, or canceled, and easily click through to manage or track each order. On the right-hand side, you'll see your current balance in your selected currency. You can top up your balance from here, or click View Accounting to see detailed transaction history, payout activity, and filter by date, transaction type, or status. Below that is your plan usage panel. This tells you how much of your plan limit you've used, including how many products you've added and how much revenue you've generated compared to your plan's cap. Here, you can view details of customers who've placed orders from your store. It's great for tracking repeat buyers and managing relationships. At the very bottom right is your activity log. This tracks login sessions, updates, and all major vendor actions. It's helpful for accountability, especially if you have multiple team members using the same account. Back on the left-hand side, the Active Products panel shows you the number of products that are in stock, out of stock, under review, or disapproved. Just click View Products to jump directly to your inventory list. This dashboard was designed to give you a full overview of your shop at a glance, whether you're checking performance, fulfilling orders, or managing your payout details. Now that you've gotten the lay of the land, let's go deeper and explore each section one by one, starting with the navigation menu on the left. Starting at the top, we've got the Home button. This brings you back to the main dashboard where you'll find helpful summaries like analytics, orders, balances, and plan usage. Next is My Orders. This is where you'll manage all incoming orders from your customers. You can filter by name, status, payment method, order ID, and even dive into advanced search options to find exactly what you're looking for. Below that, you'll find the Products section. Clicking here expands into two tabs, Products and Reviews. In the Products tab, you can add new listings, import or export products, perform global updates, and track items currently under moderation. In the Reviews tab, you'll see feedback left by customers, including ratings, comments, and even photos. You can filter and respond accordingly. Next up is the Message Center. This is where all your conversations with customers and the DMWM admin team are stored. You can filter messages, reply directly, and track the history of each conversation. Then we have Product Bundles, a great tool for grouping multiple products together into a single offering. This is useful for upsells or curated collections. Moving on to Accounting, here you'll find a detailed breakdown of your current balance, recent transactions, and any withdrawal activity. You can also request payouts directly from this section. And finally, let's head into Settings. This is where you'll manage everything from shipping methods and rate areas to adding pickup points. You'll also find the Sync Data section, including the ability to import products from Shopify with just a few clicks. So whether you're fulfilling orders, refining listings, messaging customers, or tweaking your store setup, the side panel has everything you need to manage your business right at your fingertips. All right, now let's take a look at the top navigation bar, which keeps some of your most important tools and settings just a click away. Starting from the right, you'll see the bell icon. This is your notification center, where you'll receive updates related to your account, orders, and any platform alerts. You can click to view individual messages or mark all as read to keep things tidy. Right next to that is the date filter. This allows you to filter your dashboard analytics by time period, from today, yesterday, this month, last month, or even custom date ranges. It's a great way to review performance and track your store's growth. Next, click on your profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu with several useful options. First up is your currency selector. You can choose the currency you'd like to view your dashboard and transactions in, making things easier if you operate internationally. Below that, you'll see Edit Profile, where you can update your name, email address, phone number, password, and other contact information. Then there's System Theme. Here you can switch between light mode, dark mode, or follow your system preferences. Click on Seller Info to manage all of your profile and payout information, including your store details, ID verification, and mobile wallet setup. If anything ever changes, you can return here to update it. And finally, there's the Sign Out button, which securely logs you out of your account when you're done for the day. This top bar is all about convenience, giving you quick access to the tools and settings that help you stay in control of your vendor experience. And that wraps up our quick walkthrough of the DMWM Vendor Dashboard. Before you dive in and start selling, we highly recommend completing your full account setup, from verifying your ID to configuring your payout details and adding your first products. The more complete your profile, the smoother your experience will be. If you run into any questions or technical hiccups, don't worry. Just head over to the message center inside your dashboard and send us a message. Our support team is always here to help. Now, this video was just a quick overview to help you get oriented. But if you're looking for step-by-step tutorials, like how to list products, customize shipping methods, manage orders, or dig into analytics, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel at youtube.com/@dmwm.africa for in-depth videos that walk you through every aspect of selling on DMWM. We're adding fresh content regularly, so you'll always find the answers you need. Thank you again for joining the DMWM family. We're excited to see your business grow, and we're here to support you every step of the way.